Alright guys, so I'm here in my 2003 Saab 9.3. This is the ARC model. Replace the fuel pump. I have to use a rotary Dremel. And some snips. Preferably get the smaller snips. Something like those. These don't really take much work. All you have to do is cut out the center, Dremel it all around. I use a drill bit as well, some WD-40. Went on around there, cut it, pulled it all back to get through the back of it. 9.3 2.0 turbo 03 model. So guys don't have to drop the fuel tank at all, just straight through the back seat. Back seat pops on out from these two clips. Just pull up on it and it comes straight out. Got any other questions, comments on how I did it, just drop down below. I'll show you guys. All right, thanks.